Yo, what is up, you guys? What is up? Let's kill it. Big Cash Dog, what up, brother? Cool. Here's a bird's nest. All good. Instant insecurity kicks in. Sick. So happy Friday, you guys. Let's lock in. Before Raj, I don't know how to say your name, but what up? Fuck. Bro, I might have to rock a hat. I actually need a haircut. Like, I really need a haircut. That's crazy. Now I look like a weird golfer. All right, whatever. I'll just have to rock it. Sorry about the hair. Yeah, all good. Sort of. Anyway, let's try gel. I just think I need a new, like, I need to become a new person, to be honest. I need a person transplant, but all good. What's up, you guys? Friday, let's really look at locking in here. Relax. All right, yeah. Sick. So I'm going to do a bit of a top down here just to get a bit of an overview for what we're trading for the session here. These monthly candles, wild stuff. Discovered your account last night and keep binge watching your videos. Thank you, man. Awesome. Good to have you here. I wonder how you discovered me. I've been discovered by a modeling agency. Actually, a modeling agency hit me up yesterday. They were like, oh, we want you to do like videos and shit. I was like, I'm not a model guy, but I'll talk if you want. Better hair than 80% of Tanzania. Bro, I can't. People keep commenting on my shit saying Tanzania. Habibi, what up? So the weekly's looking like this, whatever. Doji red. Daily on Wednesday pushed up pretty strong. Yesterday failed to push above that. Today we're kind of working our way down, filling that wick. That wick just got filled there. Can I fill your wick? Oh, that sounded bad. 4 hours coming down. Now we're rejecting back up. Let me have a quick look at the 4 hour on Forex. Pretty similar story. The 1 hour, kind of this 1 hour support level here, rejecting off. 30 minute, 15. I think in an ideal world, to get this to continue to push up here and then maybe potentially give us an opportunity to sell back down is going to be good. It's going to be tough. It's going to be tough for buys right here. Look at all this like kind of chop on the way back up. It's going to be tough to take buys here. So we'll see what happens. Billions and billions. Only at OF soon? No. Hey Dan, you blocked me on Instagram. If I blocked you on Instagram, there would have been a really good reason for it. Yeah. Which I don't think I blocked anyone ever on Instagram. New subscriber, what up? Good to have you here, new subscriber. A hand model, yeah, foot model. My hands are pretty jacked. You don't want to fuck with my feet. My feet are cooked. I just wanted giveaway and I wrote win. Oh yeah, so actually I did block you. Yes, I'm glad I get to speak to you. Stupid, right? I blocked you because you didn't read the rules. You just spammed I win 1,000 times. So like, what the fuck? If you want to win, you would do what the rules say, how you win. Like there's a thing you have to do to win, not just spam I win. Flex muscle so we can begin the day. That was so gay. That was really gay for another man to say flex muscles, and then I did it. What up, Tyler? How much per trade ideal for 50K account? It's up to you, bro. It's really your discretion. I've taken one trade here over these 5 accounts. I got 200 on each account. How tall are you? 6. What are the rules for the giveaway? It says it on my Instagram. So what are we going to do, guys? We're going to give away 30 accounts all in one bang, bang, bang banana. This is the post. You have to, here, what I'll do actually, you guys on YouTube, I'll post this link into the chat right now. because we're going to do this giveaway on stream. I've got a sick way to do it all in one bangs. But, you know, giveaway days make me insecure because people be really nice on giveaway days, but it's because they want something, not because they're being nice. Danny Sins. Oh, fuck. I breached 12 challenge accounts. Yeah, that's all right, bro. Just make sure you learn from it. You have to learn from it, bro. ST, what up, cousin? Good to see you, brother. Nah, it'll be just somewhere in the middle of the stream. We'll do a givey. Tori, if you secretly watch. Do the manties? Yes, Gav. Yeah. Not in this giveaway, but yeah, let me sort that out this weekend. Yeah. You'll get Orion accounts. 2 funded account breached. Here's the thing, man. You guys, most of you guys that blow accounts and stuff, it's always psychological, right? You've really got to do the deep work. I actually posted a thing in the Discord last night. It's this video here. It's called The Truth About Tilt and Why Revenge Trading Can't Stop. It's an AI video, but fuck, it is good, I promise you. If you want to understand the deeper psychology behind why you keep revenge trading and blowing accounts, I'd look at that. Yay, they're drilling again. All right, I'm going to turn this noise suppressor on. These guys are trying to drill down to my profits. Tanzania. All right, all good. New here. Good to have you here. 11226G. Wow, price pushing up now. It'd be great if we could get a fucking push up and then try and catch a sell back down. NQ's basically doing the same thing. NQ's rejecting up. This level here on NQ is major level. Major level alert. Major level here where this line is on NQ, so we'll see. I saw your reaction video last night, 26 to 26,000 loaning. No, I didn't do that. 26 to 26,000 loan trading in 2 days. Oh, that chick that said, yeah, that chick was a fucking, that was so stupid that she was trying to actually claim that. I found out about yesterday. W Jesus, good to have you here. Change your name though. All good. What are we moving? Price moving up. Fuck me, 80 pips. Okay. Can you please give me your thoughts on Orion? Their socials are minimal. No, they got good social presence. Orion is the accounts that I'm with. They're really good. They're legit guys. Yeah, legit as fuck. Hey, you guys, I also bought a... Fuck, that drilling's crazy. I also brought a instant funding 50K account here with Top One, I think. Yeah, Top One trader, 50K instant funding. Yeah, I think that'd be pretty cool. So I might trade on that as well. Big codes, what up, what up? What lot size when passing a challenge? It depends how far into trading you are. I've been telling my guys that know the system really well, and I know that they know how to trade and they have decent psychology to just kind of up the size a little bit to get it passed in like 4 trades. But that's only if you... And not, oh yeah, I can trade, I'm all good. No. You can actually trade. You have a proven system with a fucking edge in the market. You know the parameters, you know everything about the system. And now it's just about like trying to get these challenges kind of passed so you can start making money. What up, Callum? Big Shivy, what up, what up? But you need to become that guy first. You need to be good. You need to be trading. You need to be fucking, yeah. Which prop firm you got? The 50K instant funding one here is with Top One trader. I just got. That drilling's wild. Give me one. What do I get? Or do you just take? What do you give society? Have you ever thought about that? Yeah, Shem, you can pick MT5 or they actually have a. It's not a bad idea, but Shem, I would like you to pass one first. I want you psychologically to pass one. You can either do it through MT5 or Tradeovate. Top one doesn't pay out. That's cap. No, I've never used. This is the first time I've ever used them. You haven't marked out levels yet? Yeah, I have. This is my only level of interest just yet. I'm going to wait for this candle to close. Can't look at buys just yet. How to get in the giveaway? Go on my Instagram. This is your last chance to do it. I'll post a link again in the chat. I'll actually pin the link to that post. I'll pin this in the chat. Keep pinging the cunt. Is Inst funny with top one monthly subscription? Fuck, I don't even know. I think so. But they have a discount on at the moment. That's why I did it. Oh, okay, Shem. I don't have Trade a Friend, Dan. I'm Lone Ranger. How else can I enter? Trade a Friend? Oh, just tag anyone. Just tag me or tag one of the boys in the Dissy. Yeah, all these people in the Discord are your friends. Oh, you're new here. Can you tell me how you can best learn the set levels? Yeah, so what you do is you get a top-down analysis, get an idea of where the market is as you work your way down the time frames, get like an overview of where it looks like direction's heading. And then the final stop, last station, central station, final stop, all right. You finish up here at central station on the 15-minute time frame, and then you just find your levels where candles have closed, a red and green have closed below, and then you look to the left and find, okay, do I have enough clean range if I sell below that level now? Is there enough clean range to the next level, which is there? In this case, yes. What's clean range? Clean range is just a color, one colored candle on the 15-minute time frame. So I know that below this level, if we get a break, there's fucking 36 ticks of clean traffic, right? To this next level. But if there was a red candle right here, I wouldn't have this level here anymore because I know I'm going to run straight into something and I need at least 30 ticks of clean traffic. Dad, your kids want to know what trade was. Oh yeah, I'll show you guys. So in reality, it's a good trade, but in reality, I probably wouldn't have taken this if I didn't, because I didn't trade Asia, so I was a bit disorientated on the timing. This is kind of in a bit of a dead zone, but there was this level here. This break below had a nice wick here, anticipating to be filled. Break below, retest, drop. Yeah, just textbook breakout type 1 type shit. Yeah, the timing was the issue. But again, I probably wouldn't have taken that if I realized what the time was. NQ trying to make a top wick. Well, you don't know it's a top wick until it flips, so it could just be moving up. Yeah, don't ever try and predict a wick. Oh, it's making a wick. We don't know it's a wick. It could be moving up. You got cooked in Asia? You're looking at it, but the doji candle. No, but I entered before I entered before the doji. So this candle closed. This candle wicked up, came down, and then it just hung out here. So you would have already been in the trade by this point. Even when this closed like that, I was still confident in the trade. It was very obvious, like all signs were moving down. Did you see Sylvia selling NQ? No, I didn't. I found a channel, I'm doing great, man. Into trading 4 years, still not profitable. Any suggestions on why I'm struggling? Yes. Yeah. Brother, it's all deep psychological shit. And this, I'm going to say it, man, because this video is really fucking good. If you go onto YouTube and type the truth about tilt, why you revenge trade and can't stop, it's an AI video. It goes for about 30 minutes, but it's really fucking good. It's only got like 1,000 views. It's really good. And it talks about the deeper reason behind why we revenge trade. Why do we impulse trade? Why do we self-sabotage? You know how to trade, but you keep self-sabotaging. So it's about fucking finding the deeper reason why. Why? And if you can lock in on that and fucking sort it out, You're there, bro. You've got the experience under your belt now. Morning, Daniel. Can you take a look at GBP? Nah, I can't look at it, bro. Sorry. I don't want to do that. Did you go live this time every day? Yeah, I go live every day. Oh, let's have a look at Sylvia. I'm only going to consider it a go to trade if it's in accordance to our system. I haven't even looked, thank you. Let's have a look. Break below, read. Oh, Sylvia. Hot damn. Where were you guys, man? You guys sleeping on Sylvia's signals. That's a fire trade. Yeah, W Sylvia. How legit are they? Bro. Bro, think about what you just said. Giveaway in previous posts. I already joined, but don't get any result. What? Yeah, you're disqualified. Dan, can you show us the link to that video again? Yeah, I'll show you the link to the video again. It's really good, man. It's really good, man. It's called The Truth About Tilt. Here, I'll give you guys something here real quick. Again, it's an AI video and it hasn't got many views, but don't sleep on it, man. This is... Oh, fuck, my shit's glitching. Oh, there we go, we're back. Don't sleep on it. Here, I'll put it in the chat. Was looking at that, but to the left, too quick for me to enter. Huh? Saw your video on Wayond. Really hit home, given similarity, loaf journey. Awesome, man. If you find similarities into it and you want a similar outcome to what I got in life so far, then fucking just let it be a proof that it's all possible. Pez, he's up. He's alive. No, I don't look at FVGs. Just look into it, Clement. No one gives a shit about you, bro. No one's like, if you think that you're going to enter a prop firm account and just rinse them and they're not going to pay you. Have you ever got to a point where you've made a ton of money on prop firms? Probably not. Like, I don't mean to roast you like this, but the reality is people that always say, oh, they're going to pay. Like, bro, you've never even got to that point. Like, worry about that when you're there. But yeah, it's all legit. People are going to pay you, bro. Oh, you watched the Way On vid as well? Sick. Raw vegan Pam. Nice. Big Paul, what up, cousin? Good to see you, my brother. You guys should see Paul's fucking watch collection. Yeah, Pez just comes in and out when he wants to. Why are you standing? Because, yeah, sitting's no good for long periods of time. I trade Asia every day at market open, except this morning. Yeah, been pretty busy this week. YouTube still got me. I mean, TikTok still banned me. Nah, my watch is nothing special right now. Clean traffic. So yeah, so the best idea right now, if we get some sort of pullback and continuation down. So I'll tell you guys something here, what I like to do on days like this. There's 3 scenarios of what can happen in your trade, or for me. If I get 1 or 2 or 3 max trades a day, this is the 3 outcomes. I can enter the Asia session and either win or lose. There's only 2 options that can happen. If I lose, I get another trade for the day and I can either get myself back to about break even or maybe a little bit up, and then maybe 1 more trade for the day in New York and be back in profit. So I could lose the first trade, finish the day break even, or finish the day in profit. Or I could take another trade and be 2 trades down and then I'm out. I'm like, yeah, it was just a red day, whatever. See you later. Or I can start the day green. So take a trade like this. I'm green for the day. And now I have 2 options. I can either increase the size a little bit because I have a bit of movement now and either finish the day red, maybe 100. So if I were to take a trade now and aim for about 300 profit per account, I could lose that and be red on the day about 100, which is no big deal, right? Or I could be green on the day 500. So the good thing about like winning that first trade is now you've got a bit of risk you can play with. You can kind of increase on that second trade a little bit. That's how I like to do it. And so if I get another trade today, I'm willing to be finish the day red about $100, up $100 per account. But with taking that risk, I'm also willing to, I could potentially be up 500 per account, which is like 2,500 US on the day type shit. It's in what channel the revenge trade video? Now I've already shown it too many times. You're gonna have to reverse and have a look. You can just reverse the live stream. It depends, Extreme. It depends what lifestyle you want to fucking live. It's just like anywhere in the world. Yeah, there's no difference. It's just like anywhere. I'll turn this noise suppressor off. I think they stopped. But yeah, sick. Here we are. So we'll cook here for a bit and see if we can get some sort of setup developing. It looks like price is really pushing up here. And then we'll look at giving this giveaway. Jamal, you'll probably, I don't know, you can just all my live streams get posted on on my YouTube page automatically, so you can go back maybe or something. So yeah, price is just kind of pretty aggressively pushing up here, 100 pips. No, I don't look at FVGs. Hussein, you know this, bro. You've been here before. I've seen your name plenty. If this flips and closes red, I'm pretty interested in a sell. Like I'd want a bit of strength in the body. Yeah, damn, Sylvia really cooked on that trade. Nice. How much you funded right now? Probably close to $1 mil. No, I don't ever use the 5 minute or the 1 minute. Ah, I knew you were a regular here. I knew it. Oh, bro, don't even start with wealth charts. I mean, I don't mean to be firing on all cylinders here as the stream starts, but wealth charts is it's got to be the worst of all time, right? Like, there is so much noise, it's insane. What's the win rate record on these lives? I told you when you typed that at the start of the stream, it's 100%. I've been streaming for a year and I've never lost. For me personal, it sucks, but I got 9 account. Wait, what do you mean? I just hit no max withdrawals. Oh, nice, Solly, sick. How can I enter the giveaway? You go to my Instagram and click on this post. This is your last chance to do it. It's literally your last chance to do it. So, because check this out, you guys. All right, lock in here for a second, you guys that are interested in the giveaway. This is what it is. There's this cool website here. Look, I put the link in, and then here it says pick from comments. And I go, yeah, sick. And then check this out. There's 26 winners because 4 of them I'm giving away to specific people. But look at this. Advanced rules. In the fucking post, it says you have to be following my page, Orion Funding, like them, and the other Orion page that's tagged in the post. So if you want to jump over there and make sure you're actually following those pages, because that's actually a part of the rules. This thing won't pick you if you're not doing that. So let's look at the price here. If I can get a bit of weight on this body, on this red body, I'm interested in selling. Yeah, you can make a ton of money with a 40% win rate, bro. 100%. 100%. Spaceman jacket. That's an NFP jacket. Bless me, bro. I'm really struggling. Yeah, but you're going to blow it. Like, it's all good. It's not going to change your life. Yeah, and repost the story. You don't have to repost it twice. Good to have you here, Matt. Juden. Seriously, do you keep track? Why would I keep track? Yeah, I've got a journal. Yeah, I've got a journal. Bro, I don't care about win rate. It doesn't matter. All that matters is that you're making money. There's guys that make money with a 23% win rate. And I don't mean, oh, they make money. They make a lot of money. You got to switch your mind on like how trading is and what this whole shit even is. It's probably not what you think. If you're concerned about win rate, you don't understand the game yet. Like, there's nothing wrong with that. You'll understand soon. History. What up, cuz? Big Matt. Yes, sir. Let's wait and see. Green traffic below. Yeah, I like where your head's at. This is the thing, like this is, you know, when price comes down aggressively, a pretty bearish on the day, then rejects off a key level really aggressively. You get like a strong bit of support form up here and we can retest those highs and push. I think there's a good probability of continuing down. How do you make money with a 23% win rate? With RR. But what they'll do is kind of like, they'll take a bunch of paper cuts. Maybe they'll enter down here and then it comes down, they get tagged out and they'll re-enter and then it tags out again. So they keep losing with these tiny paper cuts. But when that one does win, whew, like that's just an example. I don't know the fucking, like, my point is like there's many ways to make money in the markets and it's not about your win rate. It's not even about your risk to reward. It doesn't mean shit. A lot of the times my risk to reward is technically bad. Like I'll have like, you know, a bigger risk than reward, but it's about it's about how you play it. Like you got to play with the math in this game. Can be super tough on psychology. I would hate to do that. Bro, I'm 2.5% down in my funding challenge. It's still phase one. I'd just say full margin it. Oh, I mean, wait, how far are you allowed to go down? Oh, 3%, but 3%, bro, just maybe get another trade, see if you can crawl your way back up. But I mean, it depends how far you're in the trading game. I hate being stuck in drawdown on challenges. It's just like, who gives a shit? At some point, as you get more experience in trading, you're going to detach from the emotional aspect of the challenge phase, but you need to know how to trade first. Like you need to actually know how to trade first. Give me a bit more weight, candle. Give me a bit more weight, brother. Come on. I need a bit more weight in this red candle. What up, Soren? Jade cap only has a 35. There you go. Yeah, exactly. Can you make a video about how the market traps you? I can, but this is what the video will be. Hey guys, my name's Daniel Holmes, and this is a video about how the market traps you. There's no such thing. See you next time for the next video, guys. And that would be the video, because there's no such thing. I'm sorry, bro. I'll be a dick today. I'm not trying to be a dick, I promise. Yeah, I'm kind of interested in this. I want a decent retest, so. Hey, don't have to answer, but Mohammed, I'm not sure. I can't. Someone in the chat will probably help you out with that. I just want to try and lock in here for a sec. These accounts are called they're with Orion Funding. So I'm gonna need a top wick here. Hey, you stay there, motherfucker. Don't you drop. Stop. 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 No. Look, here. Come up here. Come on. Come on, boy. Up here. Bruh. Hey, boy. Welcome to trading, friends. Welcome to trading. Welcome to trading, friends. Pull out the bone strat. Yeah, man. Fuck. Damn it, bro. See, this cooks us now because actually, no, there's something. There could be something here still, actually. Let's let this fuck around for a bit. There could be something here still. Try the dog bone trick with NQ. What's NQ doing? Ooh, if NQ can flip and close red on this next candle, we could be in for a good sell here as well. If NQ can flip and close red, we could be in for a decent sell here as well, I would say. Something like this. Damn, bro. I'll take my money. Yep. Full margin. Yeah, what a shame, gold. What a shame. Wow. You're in sells? Yeah, I'm going to need to wait for more confirmation, unfortunately. Need that retest, especially with a big 1 hour wick like this. 30-minute wick. All right. Fred Powell speaking. Yeah, we should get some volume from that. You need to make paisa. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So let gold cook here a little bit. Don't let it trick you or anything. Oh, we don't know what gold's doing. It's just doing, but we'll see. You can never say things like that. Like, you really can't, because we don't know anything really until it happens. All we can say is, oh, look, I think based on my strategy that there's a probability of this happening. And with that, I'm going to put risk on the line. I would never jump into a chat and be like, yeah, gold's doing this because of this. It's like, how do you know? Can you tell the future? And if you can, put your money on the line. You know what I mean? How's Dubai? Dubai's sick. Yeah, Dubai's good. Dubai's good. I don't know if the DAX and shit like that are on top step. Raja was one of my early mentors. I don't know about mentor, but like, you know, I learned from him. Yeah. The weather's hot. Super hot. Boy. I'm just going to mute this for a sec. All right. Wow, gold's dropping here. Hey man, watch both of your podcasts today at the beginning of the video. Really good. Thank you. Thanks, Trish. Thank you. I learn a lot from, you can learn a lot from YouTube. Like, here's the thing, like live trading like this hasn't been around like super long, right? So you'll learn probably the most, and it's not just from me, but like watching live traders, I think is a really good way, because never really in life have you been able to kind of watch a trader do it in real time, and you can see their real thoughts and shit in real time. So you can actually learn a lot from watching live trading and asking questions. And yeah, this sucks. I wanted to be a part of this, but I just needed a top wick, you guys. If I got this, I would be right now in cells all the way down here. But this is the thing, like, as a price action trader, you just have to get so used to this happening. You have to get so used to this happening. It's crazy how used to it you have to get. We've still got hope here on NQ. There's still hope on NQ. New York Open, I don't know about that. Like, I don't know. These live streams are good to learn from. Yeah, I think these live streams are good to learn from as well. What are you going to do? Bro, did you guys see that fucking Raja TikTok that person made? So funny. Raja is my dad. I know, bro. I was mimicking Trump so much as a joke that now when I speak, sometimes I do this and it's really weird. Traders Day. Yeah, Traders Day, it's funny. He fully made a video and then said, nervous to finally meet dad. Damn, gold. You're really going to do us dirty. This would have been a great sell. It's not sometimes, it's always. No, it's not always, but it happens a lot. Yeah, it can happen a lot. But it's okay. Our job is only to get 1 or 2 trade setups. So you just got to get really used to it. Oh, you mean the Trump hands? Bro. Bro. Oh, it's so weird. Been learned a lot from adopting the strategy. Nice. Yeah. Yeah, we get NQ. NQ's looking nice. You didn't sell in the second candle after it wicked up. What wick? That's not a wick. That's like a little micro dick. I've been practicing this strategy. It requires a bunch of patience. Hey, I gotta say, you guys, there's some. What I will say is you've got to be careful because a lot of guys say, man, I've been watching your videos and your live stream and I'm doing well, but I keep losing as well and this and that. I'm like, you're only going to get so far from watching. Like if you're trying to adopt this strategy, be careful. You're only going to get so far from watching like short form content and live streams and shit. Like at some point, you're going to have to really, I'm not saying you have to join the mentorship or learn the course content and stuff like that, but you can't, if you really want to like actually be a full-time profitable with the system, you're going to have to really, you know, if you watch an operation, you might get an idea of how to like do a heart transplant, but you're not going to be able to do it properly. You're going to need to do the study barrel. So if you just go to danielholmestrades.com, only for serious guys, and you know, you can find out more there. danielholmestrades.com.au. No, not .au. Or even 2 years. But yeah, anyway. So if we get some, let's see if NQ can push down here for us. That'd be great. They're making the candles gay. Is Orion funding balance based, drawdown or liquidity based? I'm not sure. I can't remember. Just jump on their website. It's all there. To become a full-time trader, you need a mentor. I always use the analogy. If you want to become a professional boxer, you're probably going to need a boxing coach. Like, yeah, it's up to you, but yeah, that's kind of how it works. Yeah, gold's cooked us. NQ's looking nice. So let me do a bit of an overview here on NQ again real quick. Big wicks down here. 4 hour has no top wick. 1 hour has no top wick. Big wick down here could be filled. This is a big crazy. This is a big magnet zone down here, I would say. Yeah, it's a big magnet zone down here. 30-minute. Ooh, it's looking nice, man. It's looking nice. If we can get this amount of weight on this candle, I'm interested. I'd like a bit more strength in the red. You really want a bit more strength in the red because then it could start, if it doesn't give you much strength, then we're kind of just doji-ish around here where you kind of want a bit of strength. I want to see strength push, like sellers kind of take over a little bit. Yeah, we'll see. Watched a few of your live streams and went away and implement. I saw on to replay bespoke and learn. Yeah. I am being on a hole for charging dollars to friends to teach them, and they laughed and mocked me. Wait, they're saying that you're washed out because you're charging to teach people? Is that what you're saying? I don't understand. Does it look suspiciously clean? Sort of, not really. Sort of, not really. I think there's enough in favor. I think there's enough in our favor. Yeah, like what it's doing now is kind of what I want. Yeah. Definitely want a nice retest. Bit sus on this count. That's the hour high with no top wick, but we'll see. How to enter giveaway? Jump on my Instagram. Bang. It's pinned in the top of the chat there. Yeah, I'm announcing the winners very soon, actually. Which degree do you have and why don't you do a job while I do? And so can't earn money more in a job than in trading. Yeah, you don't need a degree. Yeah, you don't need a degree to be a trader. You just need to be willing to go through trauma and stick it out. Hooking up everyone with Lambos. Yeah, nice, done. You heard it there first. Yeah, I was talking about that at the start. Well, I probably do. Yeah. Yeah, I'll increase a little bit. I'll give myself one more crack at the day to either be in decent profit or be down a little bit. Anyone can do it. Yep. When I first heard about trading, I found out you didn't need a degree. I said, if one person can do this, then I can do it. Because there's no way that somebody can do something that didn't need a formal education that I can't. We're both humans. Like Yoel Romero would say, you have 2 hands and 2 feet like me. Now go. Go. Only a few people would know that. Now go. I gotta fucking look it up real quick. Yoel Romero edit. I love it. I love it. Wait, how the fuck is that music still playing? Oh, yeah. You have 2 hands, 2 feet, everything. Sorry, guys. We have to lock in on this for a sec.
And the heavyweight. The best move. And the heavyweight. But Shorty man did it boxing. He beat him one time.
Oh shit, glasses are coming off. Lock in, chat. This is what I thought about trading.
Everything is possible in your life.
Everything is possible in life.
You believe.
If you believe.
When you believe, everything is possible.
Everything.
You have a two hands.
Like me.
Everything is possible. Go. And take it whatever you want.
Take it whatever you want. Yes! So that's what I thought about trading. I was like, everything is possible. These people have 2 hands like me. They don't need a degree. Now go. Oh, so fucking good. So yeah, everything is possible and you believe. If you guys don't know who that is as well, that's Yoel Romero. He was a killer UFC. Soldier of God, that's right. Yeah, NQ's been a bitch over here. This is Doji material. Fuck, gold. I knew it was gonna happen. All I needed was a top wick. I didn't need much. And I was in this cell because we're moving down to test this level down here now. Fuck. I'm going back to Macca's. When you believe, everything is possible. Yeah, tricky. All right, well, while this candle fucking develops here, I might have to do a giveaway. Reporter went home rethinking the day. Yeah, why is he whispering? I know. It's like, it's so fucking silly. Yeah, exactly, Maddie. If anyone can do it, then they have two hands like me, then you can do it too. There's no reason why you can't. Now, go. Yeah, I know. Yoel Romero is literally like superhuman. They've done tests on him. He's like a fucking superhuman. Give me an account. Now that you said that, I'm not going to give you one specifically. Why you not go for a short? I wanted to go for short here, but I needed this candle to create a retest, but it didn't. It just cold. It cold. Which is painful. So this is the thing, like you have to be going like, this used to get me back in the day where I'm like, I know this is going to happen. I just need one thing to happen, then I can be a part of the move. And then it leaves and you miss the move. You don't miss it, but you just can't take it because one thing isn't confirmed. And then you feel something in you. And as you develop as a trader, you identify, I know that feeling. That feeling is where the spiral begins. Now go. He would also heal quicker? Bro, what the fuck? He's actually a superhuman. Alright, I'm about to do this giveaway, you guys. So you can see here, it already has all the things. I'll give you one more chance. I'll post a link here in the chat. And you go to my YouTube and comment on it or do what it says in the thing. And then we'll do this giveaway. 30 accounts, the biggest giveaway in Forex history. Just blew 121,200, yay. Sir Clips, what? The thing is, bro, I love you and I want you to get better at this. You can't be risking money that you can't afford to lose. I'd say take the weekend to rethink. Jump into a challenge account, like a prop account, instead of using your real money. And really figure this out because you shouldn't be risking money that you can't afford to lose. Oh, for not going to uni and I'm profitable for 2 years and they want to learn. Oh, I see. Yeah, I see, Zane. Fair enough. Look, man, I think it's not the worst idea to charge them to learn because here's the thing. They're not going to pay. They're not going to take it serious if you're doing it for free. They're like, you're just my friend. Like, I'll do what I want when I want. Good advice? Yeah, you got to be careful. Yeah, what a shame, gold. Everything is possible when you believe. Now go. Go. All right, let's lock in. I think I have to do something quickly. Yeah, I agree with what Real Sedan says there. Like, it doesn't have to be full price. I've got friends that have joined my mentorship and I've kind of, pushed them up to a higher tier and stuff like that. But, they're gonna have to pay a fee. Like, there's gonna have to be a fee. Otherwise, they just won't take it serious. It's just human nature. When I did the mentorship, it was more of a course, but I'd charge like $100, something super cheap. The amount of like complaints and just people that didn't really give a shit was crazy in comparison to charging a higher fee for the actual proper service. It's just, yeah, it's just human psychology. People don't respect things that are cheap. You know, you could go down to the local corner and find a chick that's I think you get my point. But yeah, let's have a look here. All right, we're going to do this giveaway, you guys. Let's do it. I think I have to pay something here. That's the issue. Yeah, I have to pay one giveaway up to 3,000 entries. Yeah, buy now. Let me just do this real quick, guys. We're going to do this giveaway. So lock in. We're going to do this giveaway here. 5217. Wow, I'm literally telling my fucking credit card details. 328. Okay, payment successful. Let's have a look here. I've never done this before. I've never done this before. So free Instagram giveaway thing. Yeah, that's what we... Hey, bro, I just... Oh, continue. All right, so you guys, last chance. You got to do what it says here. It's just, the rules on this giveaway thing actually won't let you win if you didn't do the shit. Oh, shit. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Getting comments. We'll be starting soon. Okay, let's let that cook for a bit. Damn, I'm scared. I've never done this before. That's what she said. I've never done this. Sure. What up, Mr. Ram? Mr. Ram Dog? I don't have Insta. Yeah, sorry, you're out. How's Dubai? Dubai's sick. Yeah, I liked it. I like it. What's your BSB? Oh, what up, Dave? Fuck, I think I have you today, Dave. Or maybe I'm tripping out. Maybe it's a weekend or something. Oh, next week. Could have swore we booked in, didn't we, Dave? Maybe I'm tripping. So now we're back down this level. Do you have a boyfriend there in Dubai? Bro. Oh, really? Damn. Fuck, okay. Swing trader shib over here. Next week. Okay, sick. Yeah, I thought so. Awesome, brother. Oh, yeah, I can see Thursday. Yep. Dope. Super content. Thank you, brother. Okay, let's look here, you guys. Let's see. Oh, shit. Okay. Daniel Holmes giveaway result code. What the fuck's a result code? Start contest. Okay, let's... Here's the first winner. Ready? Boom. WA_4C. Romero. Whoa, this is actually pretty sick. You guys, this is all the winners. This is all the winners of the giveaway. This is hectic. This is game changer. If anyone's shit pops up here, comment, because I actually want to see if anyone's here watching in real time. Look at all these winners here. This is a cool way to do it. Damn. I wonder if any of these names look familiar. Krishan. That's all my accounts. Fuck off. Nathan? Is there really a Nathan up there? Oh, yes. Look at this. Okay, we've got a winner in the chat. Sick. Damn. Callum won. Oh, what? Callum's in the mentorship. W. That's hilarious. Okay, looks like there's 2 more. Wow. W Callum. Okay, there you go. Autism.com. Nice. Okay, I'm going to keep that there and I'll sort you guys out after this. That's a pretty interesting way to do it. Let's go. Sick. Sick as. So whoever doesn't reply to these DMs and shit, we'll give the rest away as well. We'll do another thing. Because I guarantee you some of these people just won't even reply and shit. Trash way to win. Cam roasting UFC. Wait, win a UFC contract? Nah. Callum, yes sir. So obviously we want some sort of break below this level, to be honest. Some of them are be bots. Yeah, they might be. Yeah, some might be bots, so then we'll just give the rest away to other people. I was praying to win. Nah, it's all right. It wouldn't do much. It wouldn't change your life anyway. It's just a fucking account. Yeah, but the issue is if it was, you have to be watching the live, is I can't tell whether people are or not. Yeah, Callum, you won a one of these account giveaways. Your name randomly got picked out of 1,000 names. Look here. Oh, and look, you tagged Mitch and someone else. It shows who they tagged as well. Sick. That's a good website for giveaways. You are not only a good mentor, but also a good motivator. You have the ability to encourage anyone. Thank you. Bangladesh. Wow. Dope. Only 26 winners? Hey, bro. Only 26 winners. Only 26 winners. Think about what you just said. Is that all? Fuck me, some people are ungrateful. All right, so let's have a look here. You trading since 6 months? Congratulations, you've just entered the most difficult game there probably is, because every day it's going to test you. The markets don't change, the markets do nothing. It just, all it does is just test you. Brings out your flaw, like your weaknesses. It's a great self-development tool. Respect from Romania, waiting you here. Oh, okay. Bro, how do I join? You have to reverse time. The only way to join the giveaway is you have to actually reverse time and then comment on my post and all that kind of shit. Yeah, that giveaway website's called Simplize. Simp giveaway. Yeah, I've given 4. There's 4 that I'm giving away to specific people. That's why. First time to win. Thanks, Macedonia. Oh, brother, I'm Macedonian as well. Dope. Got some macadamia nuts here. Yeah, my mum's side are purebred Macedonian. They came over on a boat. No, I don't know how they came over, but they came over. All right, so there's that closure. That's an hour closure as well. 30-minute closure. Yeah, it really sucks. I really wanted to be that. I wanted to be in this move. This one created that top wick on the 1 hour. Like, yeah, broke that top wick. NQ's tough here now. Awesome info. That's exactly what you need to be doing, brother. Beautiful. Yeah, the strategy is the same. Futures, Forex, it doesn't matter. Yeah, it doesn't matter. I traded Forex for years. Oh, is that why you told you 4 months ago? Oh, nice, Debbie. You seen the Wait on podcast? How much mentorship? Depends. Yeah, it depends on a couple different tiers. So I'll hang out here for a bit and see if we can get some sort of play. I like to get these fucking giveaways over with. I don't like my main purpose here is to trade, not to, do circus giveaways and shit. But no, get to give people some accounts. That's good. I'll tell you guys one thing. So this is with Orion prop firm. So you're going to get 30 Orion giveaways. But check this out. I'm going to have a discount code for them guys as of Monday. And anyone that buys a challenge with my discount code, go in the draw to get flown to Dubai for 5 days, all expenses paid, and come do all this hectic shit. Who else is doing this in the industry? Your boy's Santa Claus of the trading industry. Daniel Holmes Claus trading. Yeah, bro. Daniel Claus. Trumpets, fuck. Mr. Beast. Yeah, I'm Mr. Trade. Hey, I need your guidance, bruh. I trade support and resist 4 hours level, then look for breakout, pullback, support, resistance on the 15-minute formation. Yeah, but the biggest thing is, like, as long as you're using all time frames, like 4 hour, 1 hour, 30, 15, yeah, that sounds good. Mrs. Beast, yes, sir. Yeah, maybe I'll manipulate the back end and make sure a girl wins the thing. The fly girl. Daniel Santa Holmes, yes, sir. Yeah, but pretty crazy, right? Don't sleep on the giveaways on the stream. Yeah, the odds would increase the more accounts you buy, so I suggest you just keep blowing them. Why a trader better be single than have married and child? That's not true. If you've got a supportive partner, it's fine. Love from Tanzania, nice. I want to visit Dubai. Here's your ticket. Special gift for Tori. Make trading great again. We're looking to make trading great again. For far too long, fake gurus have fucked everything up. The Trump dance. Oh man. Yeah, like the stream, you guys. If you don't like the stream, I'm literally letting a nuclear bomb off. I'm in Tori's Discord. Yeah, tell her to check her DMs. I'm not sure if Orion do accept US. It's tough for you guys in the US, man, with prop firms, I'll be honest. Do you journal your trades? Yeah, journal the trades. Why is Danny Claw's sack so big? Bro. If this can create a green candle here and the next one break below, that'd be really good for a sell, because now we've got a bit of support here. When's the pod coming out with Roger Banks? Brother? I don't know. I wish I did. I've been told so many different dates, so at this point I've just lost trust in words, so I don't know. Can you do a handstand? Yeah, I can do hectic handstand. Real quick. In primary school, when I was like 8, I seen a kid doing a handstand and he was doing it for ages. And from that day on, I said, you know what? That's the coolest thing I've ever seen. I have to be able to do handstands. And then from that day, I learned how to do handstands. Yay, I'm seeing stars. Wow. Do you have a little astrology stuff believe like Wall Street do? I don't know what you mean. Billions and... Yeah, I can do a flip as well if I had room. Damn, my watch just crushed my hand. Why are you so old? Bro, you know the interesting thing about that is soon you're going to be old. It's like it's inevitable. It's how math works. Honest thoughts on trades by Sai? Just fake guru. Yeah. No, I didn't drink C4. I'm on the coffees. On the coughs, syrup. So we'll see how price wants to react around. We're at a key level here, so we'll see. Oh, I don't know that movie. How long process to be better at trading? Bro, there's people that have been trading for 10 years and they still suck donkeys. So it's all about the way in which you're trying to learn. It's all about your learning. Righto, Dan, I am hearing about this Tory. What's the deets on this woman? Brother, people in the chat always try to say, get Tory on. And I said, you know what? Maybe I'll DM her and see if she comes on the stream. And now we're just patiently waiting for a reply. You know that meme of like a dude sitting in a chair as a skeleton, still waiting? Love your content, Unc. Thank you, brother. Thank you, nephew. Yeah, Orion, it's all on their website. They use just all the main ones, MT5 and stuff. It's not even that. It's like get your gurus to... So if your gurus are claiming to make $30,000 live on stream and shit like that, I mean, you know, make $30,000 trade, $300,000 trades. The thing is, you could say, well, get them to live stream and show it real, but then they can even be just they could be using a fake account. Like the issue is with brokers is they'll do anything. If they link with influencer, they'll do anything. They'll change it completely to make it look real. Trust me. And the issue is like, even fucking prop firms will do it. Like sketchier, lower tier prop firms will do it. So it's really hard to find real guys. But I would say like get your favorite gurus to live trade, because you can kind of get a pulse on whether they are legit or not from live trading, just in the way they speak and react to the market and stuff. But it's really difficult to find out whether it's real money, unless like get them to, if they're using like main prop firms like Top Step and all these bigger names, it's easy to know if it's real money. Yeah, I took a sell over here earlier today. Trust live traders. Yeah, exactly, man. Yeah, you want to be watching live traders. Can you show us your journal? I mean, I can show you my journal, but it needs to be updated, but there's nothing interesting in there. There's nothing interesting in there. It's just like this. It's all the trades. Cool, took a trade here. Took a loss here. Took a sell here. Sell here. here. Took a sell here. Took a buy here. Took a sell here. Wow, NQ's pushing up a lot here. Shibi, he's still holding. Crazy. I told you his level's crazy respected. I think the best way to differentiate real ones is that their name is at Robin. You can't just expect everyone to do the Robin's Cup, because that's going to take a lot of time and effort to do a Robin's Cup. Do you think Nick is real? I think so. Yeah, but I think Apex would do a lot of shit with traders, to be honest, like sus shit, but you never know. It's tough, man. That's why live stream is probably the best. You can kind of make your own mind up. There's a freshwater glass to the trading industry. Without him, I'd be completely lost as a trader doing dumb stuff. Yeah, Pez is a goat. Pez is one of the first guys I ever was able to mentor here. We got Pez funded, or he got himself funded now, and his first ever payout. The thing is, I'm not trying to blow myself, but a lot of the guys in the mentorship are getting their first funded accounts with me and their first payouts, and it's fucking, as a teacher, I guess you would say, I don't know the best way to describe it, it's fucking really cool to see. Yeah, I'm just using Notion as a journal. Are you in an Aussie trading group? Your name has been mentioned in the group. Oh, really? Hopefully they love me. But people typically would just talk shit, so I don't really care. Unk, why don't you sit down? Unk stands up because Unk's trying to stay fit. Yeah, Inquizzy ripping. What do you think about time to eat? I think, yeah, Nick's cool. I like Nick. Yeah, book a one-on-one, Cody. Any of you guys here that are in the mentorship and haven't booked a one-on-one recently or yet, make sure you book it in. All right, so we're moving down to this level here. It's a bit tough, man. A lot of red. Need to step out of my comfort zone and get funded. And get a funded? Yeah, Rexy, fucking, didn't we have a one-on-one saying we needed to get you a funded account? Like get you a challenge account? Yeah, that's right. Yeah, exactly, Rex. Yeah, when you're ready, man, do it. Upgrade if you want, for sure. Love from Tanzania, thank you. Oh no, good things were mentioned? Oh, nice. I shared the weight on vid. Awesome. Oh, that's good. 40 seconds here. This candle's flipping around a bit. It's tough if you're going to look for buys here. If this were to engulf that previous candle and you go, oh man, look, you know, it could be an opportunity for buys, and there's a major level right there, it's always a bit sus, man. Right? Because you know price wants to gravitate there. And just at least test it. Just sign up to top one. Nice. Yeah, so did I. Which it's doing right now. So we're going to have to make an educated decision here. I could see this being looked at as support and then the next one break through, to be honest. The 1 hour, there's a big 1 hour wick that maybe we want to fill here. All right, let me strap in let's think about this. I want to see this high broken, then I'm going to ask a little bit more from this. If this high can get broken a little bit and then reject and then re-break the high, I'll have a buy stop sitting there, I think. I'm not going to use much risk because I can certainly see a case for it wanting to push down again. The trading community feels quite positive, I think. People will see the opportunity and are genuinely interested. Trading industry as a whole, trading community as a whole, or you mean this community? Bro, it's not Tanzania. Yeah, that's very common MVP after a big win. You got to keep yourself humble. Yeah, you got to... Trading is just so much psychology, man. It's really, like, you really have to know yourself well. I said it a couple times. If you come from a good family, you're probably going to be a better trader. If you've got like childhood traumas, it's going to be tough because you're going to basically have to face childhood traumas to become the best version of yourself. Because a lot of childhood trauma, what's the word, like crystallizes as self-sabotage. And the markets are just fucking perfect environment for self-sabotage. I think I pulled this up a couple of times, but if anyone's really interested, is this video right here. It's called The Truth About Tilt Trading. It's AI and it's got probably 1,000 views, but it's good, man. It's really good if you want to understand like the psychology of why you keep fucking revenge trading and shit. Here, I'll put it in the chat. Yeah, see this? See how it's doing this? If this can break below, I'm very interested. Now it's a Friday. Let's see if we can get one more banger in the books. And see if we get one more banger in the books. NQ's on a mission. What's a daily looking like? Fuck me. Wait. Oh, it's a weekly. Oh, a lot of red daily candles. Wow, this is unbelievable. Choppy to the left. Now, there's enough to kind of write it down. This is a 30 pip range here to this point, so I'm willing to write it down to here. But yeah, gonna need to see. No, I don't trade New York. The guys in the mentorship, the guys run a New York stream in here. See how a few of them are in a chat right here, right now? You can see right here. So a couple of guys. So Wilson, a couple of these guys will share their screen and then they'll run the New York stream in the Discord, in the mentorship Discord. I'll stick my beak in every now and then, but I don't trade it. But yeah, I got a top one instant funding account here yesterday, 50K. I thought I'd give it a crack. Suss out an instant funded account. Thanks for engaging and answering questions here, True G. Bottom G, bro. Pleasure is mine, man. Make it 200 likes, really? Let's have a look. Oh, wow. Can we get to 200 likes, you guys? 2,500 people have been here and we're not even 200 deep. Because more doesn't necessarily mean more. If I expose myself to all these markets, then one, I'm spending like too much fucking time on the charts, and two, who cares? I don't even know. Oh wow, W call today. These guys got some W trades here in the call. Thank you, Muhyiddin. Batman. I just got my funded account. I'm fucking scared. Brother, don't be scared. Because even if you blow it, who gives a shit? Just stick to the rules and it's all good. Here's the thing. If you can trade it, just low risk, mechanical, 2 losses, call it a day, you're going to make good money. If you get emotional about a loss and you fuck around and start revenge trading, then it's just going to explode. But if it's your first ever funded account, you've just leveled up as a trader so much. When you get your first funded account, you transcend as a trader. You'll be able to get your next funded so much easier because it's just like the door's unlocked in your mind, the law of exposure. You've exposed yourself to this new thing that you can achieve. So now it's so much easier to achieve it. You guys know that experiment where they like, this is so like Facebook Unk would post this kind of thing, but they put a rat in a fucking thing of water, and then it was fucking flying around. It was floating for like 15 minutes, and then it was about to give up and just sink to the bottom and die. And then someone picked it up and saved it and took it out. They did it again, and the rat floated for like 2 hours because in its mind, it thought, oh, someone's just going to save me, so just keep floating. So it's like that thing of exposure. Once your mind thinks and knows something, it can do crazy shit. See if we get a closure behind here, below here. Oh, it floated for 42. Yeah, you know the thing, right? Yeah. I probably didn't say it right, but you understand the concept. Yeah. So it's just crazy what, like, once the mind actually believes something, if you believe that you have two hands like me, now go. Yeah, once the mind believes it, it's just like kind of weird how it works. I'm like convinced, as I've got older, I'm like convinced the mind is just so strong. It's almost weird.
Don't think about what comes after or what came before. You just gotta bend your knees, take a deep breath, and jump.
So we're gonna need a closure here, we'll see.
What if I fall? Well, what if you don't? What if you fly?
Yeah, I'll be DMing the winners. Bro, Perry, legit, man. Yeah. Pretty strong level here. I've pushed up a lot. How do you enter giveaway? You have to reverse time. You have to fucking develop a time machine. Whatever you vividly imagine, you can believe. I truly agree with that. I almost think that what you vividly imagine as like your highest, best version of life events are planted in your mind. I almost think that like you can kind of tap into a signal. Because you could say that the source wants the absolute best for you. So that vision is almost like a planted, like, hey man, dangle the carrot type shit. They would drown after about 15 minutes. However, when you would rescue the rats before they were about to drown and then return them into the water, they swam for a dramatic increase of 84 hours. Oh, okay, so they would, before they would drown, they would pick them up and then just put them straight back in. So then they thought, yeah, I'll be picked up before I drown. Wow. Are you able to juggle between 1 million? It's a bit of a fuck around, to be honest. I don't like it. But you just bounce around a bit, yeah. Yeah, I agree with that, Rexy, for sure. What up, Ellie? If the vision bear fruit of the spirit, it's from God. Wow. Instrument to buy and a flip. We're running out of time now. Yeah, it's a bit, we're running out of time for that, unfortunately. Yeah, that's, and I'm sussing this level. Looking at you daily changes me as a person. Now I am more relaxed while doing trading in the charts and clean, all thanks to you. You don't know, but you're becoming my mentor, Batman. Oh, that's good, man. That's good that you're getting something out. That's fucking really good, man. I'll tell you one thing. There's nothing worse for your brain than trading like a retard. There's probably nothing worse that you can do in life than revenge trade, sit in front of a chart, overtrade, and retard trade. Like if you sit there and just completely break your rules and you're in this cycle of I'm trading, and then you finish the day and it's just like, I'd rather get my PP cut off. It's just the worst thing for your psychology, man. The best thing you could do and should do is just 1 to 2 trades. Wait for your setup. If you lose 2 trades, just walk away, bro. Trust me, man. Trust me. Yes, I'm in Dubai. I don't think any trader has passed through the suffering and passing through to become... Wait, what? You don't think people have got through the suffering to become profitable? Is that what you're trying to say? I needed to hear that. I was looking at the chart thinking, how can I make a quick trade right now? Bro, honestly, if you're identifying that that's a thought that you had, alarms should be going off. Fucking security, SWAT team should be running in to grab you from behind and pull you away from the screen. Don't do it. It's where it begins, bro. That's where the cycle will begin. Don't do it, man. Yeah, we're getting a bit chop sueyed here. Hi, bro. Go Chell 10. What? Nah, if you re-enter a trade, Nate, yeah, that's okay. That's kind of giving the trade a second chance. That's not too bad. What up, Dilawar? Good to see you, cuz. Yeah, it's a bit tough one here, you guys. Tough one. We're getting mixed signals. It's like some narcissistic girl type shit here right now. It's tough. We're getting mixed signals, man. Now the only trade set up here for London so far has been here. I just needed a top wick on this candle, but it impulsively dropped without that wick. Yeah, I always trade London. I trade Asia as well in the mentorship, but London every day live for free on YouTube. I don't know, you guys. What's the time? Yeah, I know, Michael. Could we get ready for a sell or a buy on this type of... I mean, I wanted this candle to break below this level for a sell, but it rejected off, and now we're kind of dancing up here. I'll give it one more candle to push through, and if it can't, then just fucking call it a day. It's a Friday. You got Powell speaking later. Nah, no New York for me, especially on a Friday. Big Rex dog. We love you down. The small factor here really brings concentrating. So many YouTubers are doing it. I appreciate it. I love it more than you guys. Like, I appreciate coming here and seeing you guys. And there's some guys like Dilawar in the chat here was like one of the first ever guys to ever comment on my stream when no one was watching. So yeah, this candle's about to close. I wonder if we could look at a buy here. We've got a 1 hour wick fucking above. Could we fill that 1 hour wick? Is the question. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like that the wick up here on this 15 is that high. Your favorite place in Dubai? I haven't done much. All I do is trade and beach and gym. I know, Jack. Yeah. I'm going to give this one more candle and see if it can fucking break below. If it can't, just call it. Just give it one more candle. Disconnect, bro. Give it one more candle. Nah, I appreciate you, Dilawar. You're a goat. You are a human goat. Look at this, you guys. This was all the giveaways. We did it before. Look at all these people here. Yeah, I think we could just cook here till New York. Just, no, 26. But how can you put the word just 25? 25 free accounts and you put the word just. I want more. It's like, fuck. Who's ever seen that movie? You know how the fat kid's eating all the chocolate cake and the really mean teacher like forces the kid to eat all the cake? Fuck, what is that movie? Rapunzel or something? No, fuck, someone has to remind. Matilda! Bro, what a classic movie, Matilda. I want more. That's kind of what that dude reminded me of. That movie like scarred me. I was so scared of that teacher when I was a kid. Matilda, crazy movie. I'm pretty sure they tried to remake it. You just can't remake that type of classic. Yeah, that's right. She had powers and there was that nice teacher and yeah, that was a dope movie. Wow, Shibby. Shibby, the swing trader of prosperity. I undescribe all of the traders on YouTube. Okay, all right. Are you serious? You only gave away 26 accounts? I want more. Yeah, that's what it sounds like from Willy Wonka. Yeah. That's funny. Maka, what do you mean by overextended? Like as in an overextended break below? Like that? Typically you don't want it to overextend like... It's all about your stop loss. It's not all about your stop loss. It's also about like what's the probability of it continuing down. But, you know, you don't want it too much more than like 15 pips. I appreciate you, Moodgy. Oh, Oliver Twist. Okay. Yeah. We could be stuck in the mud here, you guys. Why didn't you do a reverse scalp? Like the part when the candle gets small and you trade it the other way? As in buys or sells? Like buying back up here, you mean? Or selling down here? The channel with the documentary is called Wayond. Look at this, Wayond. I found God through trading is the thing. Or if you go down a bit, you can go Wayond podcast. And look at this podcast. It's already got 12,000 views in 4 days. Prop firm trading was my only escape is the title. You need to beat off the system. I didn't even say that, but yeah, man. You watched it today? W. Nah, I love you guys. I'm gonna pack up. Yeah, I'm gonna start packing the tools up and nothing's happening here. We've got Powell speaking later, right? Check this out. Speaking in 5.5 hours. Nothing's happening here. All good. It's a Friday. Don't give back any profits. Appreciate you guys. I might go live on TikTok tomorrow, but yeah, yeah, appreciate you guys. Make sure you drop a subscribe if you're not already, and I'll catch up with you for the London stream on Monday. And maybe TikTok if you're around tomorrow. Have a good weekend, gang. Yeah, way on with a D at the end. Love you, team. Talk to you in a minute. Have a good weekend. Don't blow your accounts. It's every day.